What's up, YouTube? This your boy Just the Goat, and welcome back to another Retro Sunday. This is a series that I have started at least about 4 weeks ago, and it is a series dedicated to the nostalgic gameplay. Let the GOAT teach you. Let the GOAT teach you. If you don't listen to nobody else, you gotta listen to me. I'm gonna lead you in the right direction. This gameplay is dope. Sabertooth. Come here. Oh, don't back up now. Eat them ankles. Oh, yeah. Did y'all not see that? Nice her 12 hit. Get out of here with that goofiness. Get out of here, boy. Oh, he got me. He got me. All right.
Round 2. Fight.
Never again. Here we go. I'm gonna bring Gollum in here. Dang! Get out of here. Let's go. Give me another one. He's about to eat a Hadouken. There it is. Oh! Take it. There it is. Get out of here. Huh? If you want to be a real gamer, it's a must that you play these. Impress me. Oh, yeah. 21 hits on her, girl. Oh, I know how to do it now. Oh, yeah, I got something for you, Chun-Li. Or Cammy, that's Cammy. You gotta play these games to really appreciate it. You can't call yourself a gamer. You know, you can't be on Instagram saying like, yeah, I'm a gamer. You know, I love playing the game. If you have not went back and played these games, it's just not facts. I'm telling you, it's just not facts. You gotta understand how it feels to play these retro games. You just do. Watch this. Come here. There it is. There it is. What? Did she get hit? Come here. Nope, 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 nope. Oh my God. You're a freaking rogue. Hold up. She suplexed me? I forgot Cammy is like the soldier chick. Get her! Oh, I'm trying to end her life, bro. Yeah! End her life. You're done. Ken is Cyclops. Yeah. Come on, get up.
Round 3, fight!
I'm sorry, guys. Come, he's blocking it. Dang! Get out of here! Hope you all like the gameplay. I hope you all enjoyed this game. This game is like I said, it's one of the classics, man. One of my favorite games growing up. I used to play this all the time. I used to go over to my friend's house and we used to stay the night. We used to stay up for hours playing this game. I think my cousin had it too. And we used to play this game and, you know, we used to talk trash just like we would do Mortal Kombat 11 or any of the newer games, the newer fighting games. We would do this with this game. I hope you all enjoyed the gameplay, and make sure that you subscribe. Savage, smash that like button and turn on post notifications for me. If you're not a subscriber, please do that. And if you think you're subscribed, definitely just check it out to make sure that you are. Sometimes we unsubscribe to subscribe and subscribe to unsubscribe, but then we end up subscribing again. Whichever route it is, please just check it for the GOAT. And without further ado, hope you enjoy Retro Sundays. Until next Sunday, guys, the GOAT's out. Peace.